Hi gang, and welcome to another episode of Mr. Ed Draws, and in this episode I'll be doing something a little bit of a bonus. I'm finishing up this sketch here, adding the details, kind of making the parts stand out more because I feel like it's just a mishmash of textures and marks at this point, and it might be kind of hard to see what's going on. But this is a composite of a lot of different things that I see on a fairly regular basis. I see the tall trees, I see the mountains, I see the foothills, and I see the waterfalls every once in a while. But I have to go to a park that's behind my house. It's like a national or a nature preserve called the Ordson-Todd Woods, and there's a trail that follows Clay Creek, and it goes up to a little waterfall. So I got a good look at that waterfall and how it was kind of structured and the things around it, and drew it as best as I could. But here's the actual waterfall here, and it's in this wooded area below that part there. There's wildflowers, and they're just blooming now. It was just so incredible. This is the best time of year to go hiking because when you look out across the valley, it's green. We've had rain for weeks. We've had a few days of sunshine. That's all it takes for the hillside to just be beautiful, beautiful green color. And then in the summertime when it stops raining, because we have really dry summers and they're bright and warm, which is why it's good for growing fruit and stuff around here. But for the grasses on the hillsides, they bake and they turn brown. So then I don't think it's as attractive when it's brown. I think it's prettier when it's green. So I like to get up there in the spring and just take in all that. Everything's alive and everything's hopeful and it's growing and it's pretty, and I just enjoyed it. Plus it's not so hot that when you climb up the hill you want to die of a heat stroke. And these are some pretty significant hills. Now the trail that goes along Clay Creek here in the Ordson-Todd Woods, it's a really easy hike. There's a parking lot off of Tolman Creek Road. You can park there, hike in, real easy. I see people of all types, they go in there. But if you want to go up the hill, up that bank there, you can see either side. It's pretty arduous, and it's going to take, I wouldn't have a heart condition and go up there because you might be testing it. But if you want to, it is well worth. The views are beautiful up there. If you take your time, it's not impossible, but you will feel it. I go up there, but I take my time and just check out what's there. Turn around, look at the scenery. It's always beautiful. Sit down, take a minute. Now the water here in Clay Creek, it's filled with, clay. It's a mixture of snow melt and granite and decayed leaf matter that all kinds of makes its way down. So it's not really clear like you would see in the Rogue or some of the other streams. But it's still okay. It's pretty. Makes a great sound. Well, I've hoped you enjoyed this nature minute or minutes, and a kind of a look into where I get the inspiration for my drawings, and maybe even something that if you're an artist you might enjoy drawing yourself. I post a lot of images on my Facebook, and I post a lot of images on my Instagram, and I kind of zhushed one of the stills from this in Photoshop so it looked a little bit better, and I think it was a successful hike. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit the bell to be notified, and until next time, as always guys, take care.